What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's enjoying their summer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mike Capino, the Apple Guy, and today I'm just doing a quick recap. I'm editing a video right now. It's for a backpack that I just bought. It's an amazing backpack, and I'm doing a comparison between it and my previous camera backpack. And well, since I don't really need two camera backpacks, and I forgot to mention it during my review of it, I am going to be doing a giveaway of this backpack. Now, there's nothing wrong with the backpack. I don't really want to throw it away, and I don't want to just like toss it around in a corner somewhere, because I just don't really have the space to have, you know, so many backpacks, which I've already got enough already. And so what I was going to do was, I had two current giveaways. Well, I should say it's got one giveaway right now, which I'm so close on that one. That one is 500 subscribers, and I'll be doing a camera giveaway. Nothing really expensive, you know, but something, you know, nice and decent, a point and shoot, or a, you know, relatively, you know, decent budget DSLR, mirrorless camera. And so for this one, what I was thinking of doing was, once I reach 400 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway of this. Now, I'm not gonna, I'll give a brief description of the camera backpack, as, like I said, I'm already doing an edit of the backpack as it is already, but it's a simple LowePro Tahoe 150, so it's not that big. It's not a huge backpack, but for someone who's looking just to get started with hauling around the camera gear, and they don't really want to just, you know, stick it in as a regular backpack or whatever, I am going to be giving away a lucky subscriber that backpack. Now, I won't go, like I said, into too much detail with it, because I'm already doing that with the review that I'm doing, comparing it with my new backpack. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way, when I do announce it, you know, then whoever that lucky subscriber is, they will get it. Otherwise, that is pretty much the only announcement I have right now. I am still editing the video. I had to make a thumbnail for it. Unfortunately, with it being where I'm living in Alaska, it's been raining for the last, I don't know, week or so, so it doesn't really make it the most ideal conditions for trying to film a backpack in the rain while I'm standing in the rain all wet. So that is pretty much it. And again, I'm going to thank everybody who's already subscribed to my channel. I'm going to thank you all, and we're almost close to 500 subscribers. We are so close, but even closer to 400 subscribers. So again, if you want to have a chance to, you know, enter in to get this backpack or to get that camera, all you gotta do is be subscribed to my channel, hit that bell notification, and also browse through my channel. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. I do a lot of reviews on camera gears, as well as I have a website on kit.com, which I have a link in my bio on my YouTube channel, for some other great gear, some budget stuff, and stuff that I use on a daily basis. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching, and I hope everyone has a great summer, even with all this, you know, pandemic stuff going on. Hope you're staying safe, and have a great weekend.